Got me falling right back.
Hey guys, welcome back to another Mac Hack So 2 video. So today we're going to be doing a special zapping effect. It's called copying and pasting money. You've probably seen it before. So today I'm going to be trying it out for myself. Let's take a look. Alright, here's nothing. Hey, cool, it's in my laptop now. Alright, now. Okay, now we're just going to take it out. Alright, got the first one now. Just keep that there for the next one. Alright, and now got $4. So thanks and see you guys in another video. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate that you took some time out of your day to check this out and for, of course, watching to the end. Just before I go, however, I kind of want to give a shout out to Fade_584, I think. He subscribed to me a few days ago and I checked out his channel and he's got some really great content. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description. Definitely go over there, give him a like, give him a subscribe. Probably do that for me too. Yeah, that would be nice. Okay, so see you guys in another video. Bye.